Good morning, everybody. We're going to make a taco dip, and I'm going to make it, and everything will be down in the description below. Excuse me. So let's get started. We need a can of refried beans and chili, and a medium avocado, 3, and lemon juice, garlic powder, sour cream, envelope of taco season, Monterey Jack cheese, and a green onion. I see 2 things I forgot, so we'll be back. Okay, I am back. I forgot the cheese and the garlic. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the refried beans. I'm using my Grammie's plate, and this is really old. It's all pitted. It's super old. I don't even know how old it is. Okay, whoops. Need something heavy here for that. Refried beans. I was gonna make take out the refried beans that I had canned, but I was running a little short on time this morning, so I just went to the pantry and grabbed some out. It's always good to have a pantry upstairs because you can grab and go. And it says you want to spread it in a pie plate. And everything will be in the description box below, just like this. I like refried beans. I don't know about anybody else. One of these days I'll have to show you how I make mine. They're nice and thick. That's why they're called refried beans. Okay. Gonna get a little cup here. Put everything in. And then it says, mash the avocado and lemon juice. Here's the avocado. And we're gonna take 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Oh, you know what? Oh, I thought I threw the cap away. Oh, shooey. And this helps it too with, so your avocados don't turn brown. How many have been to a party or something and you're like, oh my goodness, the avocado, it's turned brown. Well, this will help it from turning brown. And you want to just do this. And you want to put in the garlic powder. And the garlic powder is 1 teaspoon. And I use anything for garlic powder, but this is what I have on here today. And 1 teaspoon. We like garlic. How about you guys? Do you guys like garlic? Yummy stuff. Okay, so it says you want to just kind of make it till it's a little smooth, and you want to mix it in here. And that's what we'll do. No rhyme to reason. Just like this. Gonna do that. And then we're gonna spread it over the beans. A little bit more here. Just right so you guys can see me. My son had a barbecue last night for mom and mother-in-law and family, and geez, I should have made this and brought it down. This would have been yummy. But I brought the watermelon. That's what he asked me to bring. So that's what I brought. Clean off this here. See if I can, this is one of my favorite small spatulas. Get all we can here. You all know what that's like, the cost of everything, right? Maybe that's in your way. Just like that. So once that gets in, It said you want to spread it over the beans. So we'll spread it over the beans. Smells good. Garlic and avocado and the beans. Now all you need is a fried egg and some toast. Put it, make a meal. Okay, I'm gonna spread that right over. Okay, just like that. And then it says stir the sour cream. Where's my little bowl here? Here it is. Right here, we're gonna take this little bowl and you wanna have 1 cup. And this here is 16 ounces, so we're gonna do about a half. Fingers don't wanna work this morning. Mix this in here. I'm gonna do about half. That looks about half to me. Well, that's what we're gonna call half. Okay? And then you're gonna take the taco seasoning. You're gonna put that right in, just like that. And let's see, then you're going to put it in the small bowl and spread it over the avocado. Okay, just like this. Sour cream and taco seasoning. Just like that, makes a real pretty color, doesn't it? Okay, so we're gonna put it right over. We'll have this tonight with something. I have no idea what I'm making for supper tonight. And I have to go to my father's in a little bit, so I may take a scoop of this down for him. There we go, just like this. How many of you guys eat Mexican food or like Mexican food? We love it. We love it. Okay, it said you want to spread it over, just like this. Oh, doesn't that make it look pretty? Yum. Kind of on a hot foot today. I've got to be at my dad's, and he's got an appointment in an hour and a half, and it takes me an hour to get there, so gonna put the metal to the pedal here. Okay, do that. And then it says, once you do that, sprinkle the remaining ingredients in order. Okay, so that would be Monterey Jack cheese, and I'm doing a Fiesta blend. Right here, you can use whatever cheese you want, but I'm using this, and it says you want about a cup. So we're gonna do this. Hi, I just wanted to let you know that I ran out of space on my phone, but I wanted to show you what it was. Here it is right here, all topped off. Doesn't it look beautiful? I'm gonna take a little taste of it and show you and tell you what I think. All you missed was putting the tomatoes and the toppings on top, and I'll have the recipe in the description box below. So hold on, please. Here we go. I'm going to take a piece out now. I'm looking for something, but I didn't see it, but that's okay. Gonna go in like this. See the refried beans and green chili and everything right here. There you go, just like that. I'm gonna bring it up. Just like this. I've got some tortilla chips. And we're gonna try it. Oh, ho, 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 ho. This looks good. I don't like it when I run out of phone space. It gets me upset. Very good. Look at that. Good, good. So good I can't stop. Ray's gonna have leftovers, I decided, and we're gonna have some of this for leftovers too. Trying to get a little bit of everything. Sour cream, onions, chili, the whole thing. My grandmother always taught me, don't talk with your mouth full, Brenda. That was so good. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that bell. You never know what's going to be on my videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Please share out my videos so YouTube knows there's a lot going on over here in Maniac Grammys. Have a great day. God bless. And stay safe. We will see you tomorrow. Bye now.